Investors, the time to acquire a winning investment in the rocketing Hispanic consumer product industry is right now. My name is Steve Fox. I'm the CEO of Rosa's Horchata. I'm a successful, experienced entrepreneur with 3 previous startups. As an entrepreneur, what you look for is a running lane, and we've found one with Rosa's Horchata. You know, the Hispanic demographic in the United States is the fastest growing, not only in size, but in spending power. Consider the following. 25 years ago, tortilla chips had been around for hundreds of years, but there was no traction. Then along came Doritos and Tostitos, and now it's a multi-billion-dollar category that's growing twice the rate of potato chips. Mexican beer had been around for centuries, and then along came Corona. It's now one of the largest brands in the world and the largest import in the United States. Horchata is a Mexican favorite, yet there is no premium brand and there is no household name. Rosa's will become that premium brand. It will become the household name. The common thread for all these products is marketing and positioning. As an investor, you want to know about the company. The company is completely built and ready to go. We have rock solid players at every position. We have an experienced management team, including corporate services, marketing, operations, legal, and financial. We have outside services, including sales channels, manufacturing, logistics, banking relationships, everything completely set and in place. Unlike most early stage companies, what we have set up also is customers. These include Costco, 7-Eleven, Cisco, Unified Western Grocer, and also dozens of distributors, restaurants, and consumers calling us on a daily basis interested in the product. Regarding personnel at Rosa's Horchata, again, my name is Steve Fox. I have 25 years in the food and beverage industry. I also have 3 previous startups, the most well-known of which was VerticalNet. VerticalNet became the 3rd most successful IPO of 1998. That's right, 1998, the year of the IPO. According to Mike Hagan, CEO and founder of VerticalNet, he referred to me as the single most successful and single most valuable hire in the history of VerticalNet. John Fraser, Chief Sales and Marketing Officer. John is co-founder of Element 79 Partners in Chicago. Element 79 became the 5th largest ad agency in Chicago. Element 79 handled all the PepsiCo business. John was in charge of new product development, handled all of new product development for PepsiCo, which included Gatorade, Tropicana, Aquafina, Propel, and more products. John has deep domain expertise in beverage marketing and will handle all the growth and marketing for Rosa's Horchata as we expand from Southern California throughout the Southwest and across the country. Most importantly, as an investor, you're interested in the exit strategy. Again, Rosa's delivers a winner. In the beverage industry, over the last 20 years, a pattern has developed. Large multinational beverage companies acquire smaller entrepreneurial startup companies. These large multinationals have found it difficult to impossible to start up new beverages. Non-organic growth can only be attained through acquisition by these companies. Meanwhile, smaller entrepreneurial companies can spot opportunities and efficiently grow brands to the revenue point where they become extremely attractive to these larger multinational companies. Not having to spend millions and millions of dollars on the huge overhead to start up new brands and new categories gives these multinationals the ability to spend large acquisition dollars to the tune of 8x revenue multiples to acquire these smaller entrepreneurial companies. And this is a growing trend that has been going on over the last 20 years, and industry experts see no stop to this trend over the next 20 years. Some prime examples of this are Gatorade, Snapple, and the granddaddy of them all, C.E.O. vitamin water. Most recently, the last flurry of activity was in the coconut water category. Pepsi bought Amacoco out of South America. Coke volleyed back, purchasing a percentage of C.E.O. Back to C.E.O. vitamin water, from zero over the course of 11 years, Coca-Cola purchased C.E.O. vitamin water for $4.6 billion after 11 years on an 8x revenue multiple. And finally, the investment offering. Our term sheet is posted on AngelSoft. We have a Series B preferred offering. I emphasize the word preferred because the high-risk money has already been invested and the company has already been developed on the Series A money. This is Series B preferred. This is the launch money. As I mentioned earlier in this video, we have customers waiting for the product. This is the launch money. For qualified investors, I have a full business plan and sample product waiting to go out to you. My contact information is on the AngelSoft page for Rosa's Horchata. Thank you for your time and attention.